Hey, welcome everyone. My name is Kyle Fishburne. I'm the founder of Nook Vans, and I'm excited to show you this latest design that's for a client of ours. To run you guys down a little bit on the exterior components, we've got a Guillard awning without legs, Black Rhino rims with Falcon Wild Peak tires, roof rack with two 200-watt solar panels, side ladder, rear tire carrier, and these luminous side steps. Excited to show you guys on the inside. Come join me. All right, now we're on the inside of the cabin. Let's start where our build starts. That starts with the insulation. Every Nook comes with a full insulation package. We have a 1/2-inch polyiso foam in the floor that has a radiant barrier. We also have radiant barriers on the walls and ceiling. That comes with a closed cell foam as well. To fill the cavities of the walls, we use Havelock wool insulation. That deals with the moisture and sound issues very well as any kind of heat and cool coming through those walls. Next up, we start with our wall system. Our wall system consists of lightweight wall panels with really durable and strong aluminum channels. These aluminum channels are strong enough to hold people up. It also is able to hold our walls up, holds our furniture in place. We're able to incorporate lights into it, and then we also are able to use it as a T-track, mounting different kind of gear. As you can see here, we've got hooks. We also use this aluminum for our furniture as well. So with our furniture, this aluminum keeps things stable. Every van goes through a lot of extreme temperatures, moisture, dry spells, and just wood construction alone can cause some issues down the road. With the aluminum framing here, we're able to keep our furniture stable and last a long time. All right, with our hideaway kitchen here, we have a narrow profile that allows for this big walkway and larger bed. Yet we still have a large countertop with a centered sink. The centered sink is underneath this lid here. We have a hot-cold tap. All the water in this van has a 0.2 micron filter on it, and this van has a UVC filter as well. Moving on to the side of the kitchen here, we have a Velcro panel. You can put bags on it. We have our bins, which come out with you to pack in, pack out very easily. Or say you're barbecuing outside and you want to bring your utensils outside, it's easy to do so. Right here we have our control panel, starting with our Ecoflow system at the top. It's a 48-volt system. This van has 10 kilowatts of batteries. You can go up to 15 kilowatts. Charges via solar, shore power, and alternating charging. Next up, Timberline heater, thermostatically controlled heater for air and on-demand hot water. Next up below that, we have the Cruise and Comfort air conditioner, 48 volt, about 12,000 BTUs of cooling power. And then below that are our gauges, dead simple, water and gray tank. Each are 28 gallons. We have our pump and gray tank dump here as well, so you don't have to go underneath and undo any valves. On this end of the kitchen, we have a dual-induction stovetop that extends the countertop, or obviously you can cook. It also doesn't emit any fumes like a propane cooktop. Next up, we have our fridge right here, easy to access from the door, so you don't have to climb in and out of the van every single time you want to get something out of the fridge. It's big enough for, a week's worth of groceries. It also has a freezer, big enough for a couple pints of ice cream. Over here on our right, we have our closet. Closet's easy to get to. It has hanging storage, it has shelf storage, and there's a lockable bin underneath as well. All right, here we are on the other side of the cabin. We have 2 swivel front seats, as well as our swivel table that can live in between the 2 front seats while in motion, or can swivel around to the bed. This area is nice and large, very communal. You can have 4 or 5 people in here, feel very comfortable. We also have our large open stoop, great place to go for a cup of coffee in the morning and sit and watch your view. Going back to the bed here, this is our lounge bed. It is designed by us. It's very comfortable and it's very easy to operate. Simply pull it out just like a drawer, and it becomes essentially a full-size bed. It's 51 inches by 76 inches. It's very comfortable and has a couple different modes that we like to show off as well. One of those modes is lounge mode. This allows for you to sleep on it by yourself. It becomes essentially a twin size bed. You can also take this separate mattress, put it on the floor, and then have 2 separate beds. Okay, we have our upper cabinet. Simple operation as well. Simply slide these doors open and you're greeted with a Velcro lined interior, keeps rattles down, a lightweight construction. It's all aluminum and keeps it lightweight. All right, here we are in the utility spa. We've talked about this in the past in other videos. I recommend going to take a look at those. But to do a quick rundown, we've got our L-track top and bottom. That allows you to mount boards, skis, bikes, gear, what have you. We have a dry flush toilet. Works like a diaper genie, no smell, no mess. After 15 flushes, you change the bag, put in a new one. It's easy as that. It's also battery powered, you can take it out. Same thing with these floor tiles. They can be taken out, used as a place to wash off outside if you don't want to use the shower inside. You have the shower head right here. This has a 6-foot hose. Bring it outside, hook it on the wall. Easily packs away, so it's out of the way if you're using it for other things. Behind this wall, we have our heater and water system, 28-gallon tank, as well as a pump and filters. On this side, we have our power system. It starts at 5 kilowatts, goes all the way up to 15 kilowatts. It's a 48-volt system. And overall, this is a space that we've engineered to be lightweight. It uses honeycomb aluminum construction. Very strong, yet lightweight. Stainless steel pan with 4 drains. So you have a drain in each corner, never gonna be standing in a puddle. That pretty much wraps up all the big points on this build. This is our original Nook floor plan. Please reach out if you're interested in having one of your own. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.